course.
Have a good day. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today's vlog will be a very just cozy fall day in my life. I'm currently at Target. I just left Foxtail Coffee and I got this drink. Let's do a little taste test on camera. It's okay, honestly. What I really wanted was a chai. Foxtail has this really good drink that I tried last week. It's like this caramel apple butter chai latte, and oh my gosh, y'all, it's so good. They didn't have any chai, and I'm not a big coffee drinker. I always get decaf. Usually for like fall drinks, I was always like a pumpkin girl, but y'all, after trying that apple drink, oh my gosh, my life changed. And now I feel like I want to try more just apple flavored drinks versus like my regular go-to pumpkin. This is a caramel apple butter decaf latte. I just taste coffee really. I don't really taste the apple flavor in it because the coffee is just too strong maybe, but it's okay, I would say. But yeah, currently at Target, and y'all, this is like my third time at Target this week. I may have a problem, but I just wanted to get a few items for today. I wanted to get some just fall cookies to bake later tonight. Last week was a Target Circle sale, I believe, so I stacked up on a lot of books that I got, and it's all the Akatar series pretty much. So, and I also got the Wicked book as well too. And like, I'll insert the video here because I literally went for Target to get like hurricane supplies because hello, there was a hurricane going on. I couldn't find anything, so I was just left with a bunch of like unnecessary things. So I already got like my other cozy fall things like the books and then candles and a mug that I also got. There's a few things I also want to get. I also forgot to mention that I did my nails earlier this morning. I really like it. I just do like my own nails, just press-on nails that I have, and then I use like a certain glue and just different products that I use for my nails that makes it last a long time. If you guys want to see like a more in-depth video of me doing my nails, I'll link my DIY beauty maintenance routine. But yeah, I'm loving it. It's very like fall theme, very festive. But yeah, let's go to Target. I bought a mug last week that looks just like this. This is the same design. It's a bowl, it's so cute. You guys, as expected, they're sold out of the Halloween cookies that I like, the little like pumpkin ones. Every single year this happens. Like, I come to Walmart or Target and I'm like searching everywhere for these cookies. So right now I'm just ordering it on Instacart because I'm gonna have my cookies. And fingers crossed that it actually gets to me. Okay, so they're still having the sale for the books. This one is 30 and these are 30, but I think it depends on the book. But yeah, you have to be a Target Circle member. You get all these books. So pretty much last week I got all of these books. I'll show you guys later. But I got all these books for like, and it's I think buy two get one free as well too. I'm not sure when it's ending, like the sale or whatever, but it's still here and it's been a week, so hopefully by the time I saw this video, that the sale is still going on. Run to your nearest Target to get your books because they're very cheap at Target. I'm obsessed with all the like Wicked Witches coming out. Look how cute these are. And this one, I feel like my Target doesn't really have that many Wicked stuff besides just the clearance stuff. But I've been seeing online of all the like little nicks here and there. But y'all, I'm so excited for the Wicked movie. Alright, I am back home and I spent way too much time at Target to only leave with just one thing, which is like my feminine wash. I use the Dr. Bronner's 18-in-1 hemp baby unscented pure castle soap. That's a mouthful. I've been using the soap for years and I absolutely love it. Never used like feminine washes before because I feel like I've always heard that it throws off your pH balance and like gives you other just health issues. This one has never given me any problems. It's all natural and it works well, so I'll definitely recommend this brand. And this is gonna be an unscented one. People always mistake it for I guess the peppermint one and they complain that like it's burning, and it's like, babe, like it's literally peppermint, that's why it's burning. So make sure if you are interested to get it, get the unscented version, not the peppermint version, because it's completely different. But yeah, I've been using it for years, absolutely love it. And then I want to show you guys just the books that I got last week. I've already mentioned it in maybe 2 videos ago, but yeah, they had a huge sale at Target for all the books. They had buy two get one free and then also 20% off. So I got the Akatar series. I'm currently on book 2, which is somewhere in my room. It's not part of this pile, but I'm very excited to finish off this series. It's been really good so far. But not only did I get these books, but I also got the Wicked book, and it was the last book available. Like, I haven't seen it anywhere else. Like, my Target, they didn't have that much Wicked stuff, but I was able to get this last week and I'm very excited. Apparently the book is a lot darker than the actual musical. So I'm kind of interested to see like how the book actually plays out. I definitely need to read this before next month when it comes out. I want to do some scrapbooking. I pretty much just scrapbook my months out in a journal. I'll grab really quick, 1 second. So this is my scrapbook. It's actually from Amazon. I've pretty much just been like journaling out my months and kind of just capturing just some of my memories throughout the month and whatnot. So here is my scrapbook. This is January. I just pretty much just put like just different images in here, just some highlights from the month, what the focus was on. But yeah, I'm pretty much kind of like behind. I haven't scrapped booked for August or September, so I want to make sure I get caught up today. I know I've shown it in a couple of vlogs back, but let's see what the last page is. Yeah, so this is July. I need to definitely get caught up for August, and that was a big month because that was like my birthday trip to the High School Musical 2 resort. That trip was so special and just so amazing that I definitely wanted to just spend that time reflecting and just like journaling about it. But yeah, that would be like the main focus of today, is just getting at least August done, and then September can always kind of like, I can wait for maybe next week or so. I use Canva for everything. I use it for my scrapbooking. I use it for my thumbnails. Like Canva is that girl. Like I don't care what anybody says, it's that girl. I also use these as well too, just some scrapbooking materials, and I'm kind of running low on it. That's why I was trying to look to see what they had in Target, but still have a few things left. I still have a few stickers, a few just like notepads and you know, things like that. But so I'll see what I can make out of it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start scrapbooking. So what I first like to do is upload all my pictures from my iCloud into Canva. Just choose all the pictures that I want to add. And once I do that, I kind of just go through Canva and see which template or design I like the best, and then insert the images into those little blocks. And then I go ahead and print out the pictures, and then I go ahead and just insert it into my scrapbook with all the materials that I have and kind of just shape it to how I like to see it the best. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Guys, I just finished showering and I'm gonna go ahead and start baking my cookies. Like I said before in Target, I could not find cookies anywhere. Like I checked online, they were sold out everywhere near me. So I had to go on Instacart and order it. I got mine from BJ's and they don't have like the individual packs. So they literally gave me the entire like Halloween collection, but I'm at it. So it's like 3 different cookies in here. So I have 2 of the pumpkin ones and then I have 1 of the ghost ones. I'm gonna go ahead and start baking. guys, the cookies are done and they came out perfect. I'm really excited to eat them. I was gonna play the Switch tonight with my friend. We're gonna play Overcooked, but we're both just exhausted. I am going to read my book that I mentioned to you guys earlier. I'm going to read A Court of Mist and Fury and just relax for the next hour or so and then wrap up my night.